Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today's a very exciting video. I am super excited to share Beautycounter's holiday gift sets with you all today. I'm a few days late. They actually launched 2 days ago, but I was out of town, so I got to do it now. Before I get started and show you all the goods, please make sure you like this video and subscribe. I really appreciate the support. And my hope is that this will help you with your holiday shopping this season. It's always great to give things that not only we know people will love, but things that we enjoy and we want to share with our friends and family. So, given all the issues we're going to be having this holiday season, shipping delays, supply chain issues, we all know about all those ships stuck in the port of California off the shore. It is great to be able to shop with a company that has stuff ready to go. And again, don't forget those shipping delays, so you're gonna wanna shop early, and these are limited editions. So once they're gone, they're gone. So I'm gonna walk you through our 10 sets that we have right now, no particular order. The first one I wanna show you is called, I don't know what it's called, our Soulmates Exfoliating Duo. So the thing with Beautycounter, of course, everything is amazing and wonderful, but it's also very safe. So this is has a lava rock for exfoliating your feet, and then it has a really great Soul Soothe foot balm is exfoliating as well. So the idea is that you would use this to scrub your feet, and then you follow with the balm at night, and it helps smooth out your feet. So this is a great gift for anyone who likes to take care of their feet. I love pedicures. I don't always get to go as often as I'd like to, so this is a great in-between treatment. The other nice thing about all of these sets is they all come in great boxes, so you don't even have to gift wrap if you don't want. So here's the box that comes in. Okay, another set that I'm really excited to share with you. It's called our Clean Dreams set. So this is super cute. I think this would be a great set for a teen or a young adult too. It has our overnight resurfacing peel. This is a travel size of our Counter Time Supreme Cream, which is our night cream for the line. Counter Time is the pink line. It's ideal for dry skin and has anti-aging properties. And then this is a really cute little sleep mask that you put on when you go to sleep. So it kind of helps, you know, I don't know. I've always been really sensitive to daylight, so it kind of helps you sleep in a little later on the weekends when the sunlight comes through the windows. Good Glitz Duo. This is beautiful. This is a limited edition makeup set. You have a brand new lip gloss color, and you have this really pretty new eyeshadow palette. It's talc-free powders. All of Beautycounter's makeup is going talc-free or cream-based. So let me see if you can see the shimmers. It's a really pretty, fun eyeshadow palette. So this is great for anyone who loves makeup. Maybe someone who just wants a little something fun. And then every year Beautycounter does a great job. They have a hand cream set. So this is our hand cream set trio. This is one of the tubes. There's 3 of them. And the scents are the same as last year. I believe it's Uplift, Calm, and Balance. So these are great gifts. You can break it up into 3 gifts, pair them with a lip gloss or something else. Keep one for yourself, gift 2, great little stocking stuffers. So that's a really great set. I love the hand creams. They're always very popular and they always sell out pretty quickly. So my recommendation to you is if you see something that you love, that you know you want, order it now before it's gone. And then you can come back and shop for your friends and family. So this is a really great set. This is our mini must-haves. This is our vitamin C serum. This is our overnight resurfacing peel. These two work very well hand in hand. You'd use the vitamin C in the morning, overnight peel at night. It helps with lightening and brightening sunspots and age spots. It also helps with melasma. And then you have the Counter Time Supreme Cream, the Counter Time Serum, which helps with fine lines and wrinkles. So you would use this on the nights you don't use the peel. And all of these little bottles are great for travel, and they're also refillable. So if you're just starting out with Beautycounter, it's a great way to get started. Make sure you like the products, and then you just order the bigger size and refill the little ones. Ready, Set, Makeup Trio. This one I was super excited about. It has a mini version of our Think Big mascara. This is fantastic. It's the best mascara ever. I will, I'll put a link to my mascara video in the comments for this. And there's also going to be a link to my website in the description, so you can go ahead and look at all these on the website. We have our lip jelly, came back from last year in caramel. Caramel was one of my most favorite flavors last year. I'm super excited it's back. And then we have a limited edition cream eyeshadow in Moonlight. So it's very opaque. You can layer it for a dark, you know, more whiteness. But that's a really great set. Again, great for anyone who loves makeup, who wants something simple and just try out those products. Then we have our mini lip gloss vault. These are so cute. I'll have to take one out and show you. These are so cute. These are all new colors. This one is called Rosy Shimmer. There's 4 colors. They are all scented with our Madagascar vanilla. That's responsibly sourced. And these are so cute. Look at how cute these are. These are perfectly paired with the hand creams. Little stocking stuffers for teens, for young girls who want to start using some makeup that, you know, maybe as the parent, you're okay with them doing a lip gloss. Sorry. Okay. So the lip gloss mini vault is super cute. It's one of our popular items, as always, every year. Okay, I got 3 more to go. We have our Clean Sweep Minis. So these are all of our face cleansers in a smaller version. We have our Counter Time Cleansing Oil. You have the Counter Control Clear Pore Cleanser. The Counter Start Cocoa Cream Cleanser. And the Counter Match Foaming Cleanser. So now, why do you need all 4 cleansers? Well, maybe you're trying to decide which one you like. Maybe you have 4 kids. Maybe you have 3 kids and you want this one for yourself and the other 3 for the others. This is a really great set. It's a great set to break apart into multiple gifts. It's a great set to give someone who's really into skincare and maybe they want to try all 4 cleansers and see which one they like. Okay, now if you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I did a reel last night with this set. They didn't have a set last year with the charcoal mask, so this is really exciting. We have our full-size charcoal mask and we have a new tool to use with it. I used it last night and it's great. I love it. So you use the spatula side to apply the mask. Once it dries, you get it a little wet, and then you use those bristles to help break up the mask for easier removal. And then once you're all clean, you use the massage side to apply your serum or moisturizer. So I'll put a link to my Instagram account below as well. I hope you'll follow me, and then you can check out the reel and the demo that I did. And then the final set I'm going to show you today is one that I think is going to be very, very popular. It is our Best in Clean Heroes. It is, if I can open it for you. It is these five amazing products. So you have a mini lip gloss, you have your vitamin C, you have your serum, your tripeptide serum, you have your overnight resurfacing peel, and the Counter Match lotion for daytime. You can use it nighttime too, but it's preferred as a daytime one. This set is gorgeous. I love how they made it so like little shapes fit the bottles. And again, this is a great set to gift all in one. You can break it up into multiple gifts. And that's really kind of the common theme with all of our gift sets, is they really are aimed at helping you gift multiple people within budget. Most of these sets are under $50. Click on the link for my website so you can check them out in closer detail. Any questions, let me know. So I'm really excited that I was able to share this unboxing with you. Again, I apologize that it was a few days late, but I do hope this will help you with your gift giving this holiday season. I will be doing more in-depth videos on each of these sets coming up. So if there's something specific you want to know more about, let me know, and I'll feature that one first. All right, Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.